Can you make venison smash burgers on the Monument grills? Yes, you can, and we'll show you a few tricks in this video that'll help you out if you try to do your own smash burgers out of deer meat on your Monument gas grill. Look at that sucker right there. That is freaking awesome. That's a chili dog right there, y'all. All right, one of the new toys we're going to use in this video is this Dr. Camp bacon press for a burger smasher. This thing was less than 10 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link to that down there too. One of the things I like to do with smash burgers is grill the onions some first. A few too many. Maybe two more there. I like to get them brown and good and hot before I put the meat on top of them. I think this just makes it better. This will only take a second. But caramelizing those onions really, I think, just makes them that much more special. The venison burger we're going to use in this is actually ground. I ground it myself. This has about 22% beef steak fat in it. So we'll see how good this smashes. Adding enough fat content in with your venison is the key to making any good burger out of deer meat. So first, let's separate these onions into two different piles here. All right, let's try this new smasher out here. See how this works. This experiment, you guys are going to be right here with me. First time doing it. Look at that. That did a great job. Now, how bad did it stick? I've learned with smash burgers, always have a second spatula handy. And yeah, it kind of separated a little bit. Smooth that back down. Let's try this one out so we do a little better. That's a little bit better. Let's see if we can't straighten that out just a little. Whew. That big smasher really helps protect your hand from the heat. Got a little burger on there. Add that back to this one. All right, we got our grill screaming hot. Not too shabby. A little salt and pepper on there. Nice thing about venison, even with these higher fat contents, it's not going to shrink very much. And this should not take long at all to get good and cooked, seared on the first side. Should get just enough time before the flip for another one of these battery chargers. Need your charger. All right, let's see how this goes. Could have got that a little bit hotter. I'm going to glue that together with some cheese right there. That one too. It is venison burger, so you better be ready for them to fall apart some. Let's go ahead and toast this bun up here. And get that glue on there. Didn't need to fold those corners in. That thing didn't shrink at all. Perfect. Put some glue on there. Pull that dude together. There we go. Border Collie approved. Bun's getting a little close. I like to toast both sides. Let's get this show on the road here. So these things didn't shrink up a bit. This is a lesson learned right here. Make those meatballs smaller if you're doing deer burgers, because they are not going to shrink at all. I mean, look at the size of the burger to the bun. But I'd say that's successful. They held together enough. All right, yeah, that's a bit ridiculous on the size, but it looks fantastic. Look at that sucker right there. That is freaking awesome. Links to everything in the description below, including this grill and the griddle plate, and that burger smasher off of Amazon. That was a great deal, and yes, I bought that myself. So lessons learned, yes, you're gonna have to add plenty of fat, 22% at least. It worked pretty good, held together great, looks fantastic, but keep in mind, they are not gonna shrink. So make sure when you squish them, they're the size you want them to be. These are a bit large, but I'll take it. Give me that thumbs up like button. Please hit that subscribe button down there and ring the bell icon so you don't miss videos like this one when they come out. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like venison burgers or if you just assume stick with beef. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. That's a chili dog right there, y'all. One more shot of that finished burger.